Hey guys, what is up? It's Ashley Cat, and today we're installing the Perrin Performance fender shrouds. Please check yourself. Smell your pits. If they smell, go back inside and put some deodorant on, and then let's get started. You guys know my car's been towed recently, so I had to put an actual tow hook, but we're going to reinstall the Perrin front plate. I actually didn't install the boost solenoid cover today. It's going to be a separate video, and I didn't install the Perrin dipstick. Y'all, I didn't realize that you have to grind away at the OEM handle, so we're going to do that in a separate video. Guys, I'm going to be honest with you. I'm a little girl with not a lot of strength, so the stuff that Perrin sent was very difficult for me to use, and it took me hours trying to get that rivet nut to expand. However, removing the fender shrouds that came with the car were very easy. Just popped out the plastic clips and pulled it right out. I watched a very helpful YouTube tutorial, and this guy said to go to the store and buy the following screws, and I think it's U-clamps, metal clip nuts. And these were very helpful for me. It actually cut installation down like snap of a finger. So you take these little clips, you get these little screws, whatever they're called, and you kind of put the clip on there, put the fender shroud flush on top, and then put that little bolt in there and screw it nice and tight. Make sure you double check that that fender shroud isn't loose. And it was really so easy. I love the way that it turned out and how my engine bay is looking. Sheesh. Am I a Perrin princess yet? Come on now.